Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we're gonna be replacing the BRZ's number plate light and reverse light into LEDs. So stay tuned. So the stock number plates and the reverse lights of the BRZ are kind of yellowish. I want them to be brighter. So I got the replacement LEDs from Amazon. For number plates, you need T10. And for reverse lights, you will be needing 921. I know it's kind of odd model number, but that's the number you need. We'll be replacing the number plate lights first. Pop open your trunk. Look at the trunk cover. There are a bunch of plastic clips. You need to remove them in order to remove the lining. After that, the lining comes right off. So, you give it a little twist, the light will come right out. You don't have to worry about positive or negative, just plug it in. Remember to test it before you put everything back. For the reverse lights, you have to jack the car up to gain access. The most common jacking point will be the rear diff. For BRZ, FRS, or 86 owners, if you want to get a floor jack, remember to get a low profile one, just in case you want to lower your suspension. Align the floor jack with the rear diff nicely and jack the car up. It's always a good idea to put 2 jack stands at the rear of the car. Safety first. So there are 2 notches. You put the jack stand in between them. Just do the same for the other side, and also take measures to prevent the car from rolling back. Once you get under the car, you can see these are the reverse lights, and they are really tight. If you can't get them out, you can always use some small tools. A stubby wrench is not a bad idea, or you can always use a spanner. Not anything big though, because the rear muffler is in the way. The 2 LED bulbs are in position. Let's test them. Put the car into reverse. Bingo. Time to put everything back. A little before and after shots. For the reverse, now I can see deeper and wider. And people now definitely gonna notice I'm in reverse. Job well done. Hey guys, thank you for watching and see you next time.